Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, black and white 4x5 film. This is actually one of the assignment of my photograph class, and this is pinhole camera shot. Well, that's pretty interesting image, isn't it? In front of the place I lived that time. I have this image and I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter code find edges. Well, I'm gonna make something interesting image from these two. I'm gonna colorize first and well, let's get started. I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see it. Okay, first of all, I want to add colors, so I'm going to add layer, then change blend mode to color. Now start from colorize this image. Just based on imagination, I don't even remember any colors. Well, this one's just black telephone, huh? Some people don't know these days. Maybe. Okay, from here, brush is brushing to medium blend. Okay, about this side of the button, we have add another layer. Blend mode is normal, and add color on here too, with same brush, same brown, but a little bit light, because there's no density here. Can't add color on blend mode color, so I need to paint it on. Normal blend, just paint it on. Okay, now you see the brown buttons. Okay, now go for background. Okay, go for a nice blue sky. Well, I'm gonna add layer here for sky. Then again, change blend mode to color. Okay, now I go, let's see, foreground. This is road on color layer. Right, orange-ish. Okay, using smudge tool. More yellowish. Well, almost done for these colors. Alright, let's see. Now, original black and white, sky blue, main subject, color layer, normal blend. Okay, turn it on, this pencil drawing type image. Now change blend mode. Kind of interesting. Overlay, some kind of illustration, huh? Yeah, let's see. Okay. Alright, select 5 layers as a group, then duplicate these layers as a one group and flatten this image for one layer. Now let's see, turn it off, this pencil drawing type image. Then, okay, let's see this, adjust, fix one layer. Well, just normal. Yeah, kind of interesting. Let me move this one down. Well, break this group. Now I'm gonna just move these layers out of group. Get out of this group and just delete this group with one layer, and then this is same image with this. That's right. Now turn it off, this image I just saved. Then change blend mode to color burn, linear burn. Yeah, linear burn makes a little bit sharper image, huh? Okay. Now turning linear burn on pencil drawing type image. Then let's see. The layer I just add soft light. Yeah, I think this is soft light for 35% touch contrast, saturated. Yeah, pretty interesting image. Yeah, pretty interesting image, but that's it. That's about it. I want to make something more touch illustration type image. Overlay 50%. Then add white layer mask. Let me see. Add layer. Pick white, fill layer with white. Add mask. Now I'm gonna reveal. How about duplicate pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to normal, 100%. Then move all the way top. Now we see this image. Then mask this white layer with bonobo chalk. Oops. I'm going to change this white layer, the pencil drawing type image, change blend mode to darken. Then mask this white layer. Maybe I want some texture with the brush, so how about, well, drawing to gloaming. How's this? Evolved. Yeah, I still like this hard edge texture. Bonobo chalk. Well, pretty much done. Like this, huh? Okay. This is it. Alright, this is original shot 4x5 black and white pinhole camera. On this black and white image, I add this much colorize, add sky, and these are color blend mode, just add colors. Then I add some place doesn't have density, I just add some colors on normal blend mode. And pencil drawing type image, this is linear burn this time, but actually pencil drawing type image blend mode is overlay effect. I just save one layer, then add as overlay again 50% to get this image. Then I add white layer to mask this much. This is one white layer. Then I add pencil drawing type image darken so we see the lines outside. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, kind color photograph, illustration type image. That's it. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.